Hello friends, welcome to Archer Traders. And friends, today we are going to see um, chart and fundamental analysis of STOVEKRAFT. So friends, it is in a downtrend and it's clearly visible. So people are taking like bottom fishing. So few people will enter. So bottom fishing. So they makes like they entered at. So this is the support. Actually, previously this is the support, right? So multiple times it taken support. So maybe they thought that market will move upside from here, so they entered here. But whenever you are entering into a stock, you need to know there is our stop loss. Even in stock you are entering, you need to keep a stop loss. So it's your money. It based on like interest. It based on like returns on investment in a duration. So particularly you need to think for a duration. How long you are going to hold a stock. So this is not your business, right? So this is someone's business. You are investing here. Then how long we are going to see. So this business is profitable in near term. So you need to look like that. So StoveKraft. So you need to go for a site. So what is their business? So you are going to see, yeah, it's a StoveKraft company which is having like Pigeon cooking wares and Glima and Black and Decor and Pigeon LEDs also they are manufacturing. So it's like a contract manufacturing company. So okay, whenever infrastructure and people's usage spendings on cookware and like products from this glimmer, and let we are going to see what are the products. Same, it is also like homeware kitchens like this, chimneys and hobbies and cooktops, okay, ovens like this. So this is all our needs whenever what you called growth in total areas. So at that time these things will work. And another thing is, present everyone is looking for work from home, and maybe work from home is going to be end in coming days. Like people's already calling, so companies calling their employees for hybrid model. So we can expect like it will close soon. So work from home, maybe it will hybrid. So but still, so from their hometowns they will go back. So they need to buy these small things like PGN workbench, those things. So we can expect in coming days we will see some business up movement in these cooking ware segment. So this is like a glimmer, it's normal. And this so these are the products which they are offering. If you see coffee makers, egg makers, top ups, so these are the things they are giving. So these companies, so everything looks like when businesses are going well, so these type of things also will go well. Okay, so that's it from that company. And PGN area, maybe they are entered recently in this LED segment. So when infrastructure segment will grow, so this is also grow. So on an overall basis, the company in coming days may perform well, so with their earnings in my point of view. So I said, right, so work from home people will come back. So they will give some push on cooking wares and infrastructures also. Seasonally it's summer, so long duration is there though. So the constructions also will going forward in little bit good. But here main thing is interest rates are very high, so peoples are looking little lower side to buy by taking loans. So that's a major problem in that segment, infrastructure side. But let me see, government is pushing, right? So we can look on government side, you will get some push. But I am expecting like little flat side on coming 3 months. So I am not willing to invest in this segment. So if you invest, it will take some time to get revenues on these numbers. So if you observe here, so every time maybe it's September will be the highest revenue, maybe September or June. If you observe here, so See here, September. Again, see here, September. Why means September quarter is like sales. So Diwali sales, festival sales. So at that time, this company will perform well. So before September, you are going to see some up move in this stock. So at that time, you need to invest in that stock. So not this is not a good time to go for this STOVEKRAFT stock. So you need to analyze in that point of view. Okay. And next thing is you need to see the PE ratio whenever you are entering. How was the PE ratio? Is it good compared to their peers? Likewise, so you need to look in that area. And friends, so another thing is like it's above to 200 moving average or not. So this is one of the good rule that above 200 moving average or above 44 moving average. So you can keep like a 44 moving average also. So which is a good thing to see. 44 EMA. So 44 EMA also is good. So on exit point of view also, you can take 44 EMA as a good indicator. Maybe 200 is enough. So whenever stock below 200, you will take a exit call. So that is also a good formula you can go through. So as of now, I am looking like these things. So see here, so stocks still come up of 44 EMA. So entry is not good for this STOVEKRAFT as of mine. So what you need to see is whenever you entered into any stock at this level for a reversal, so you need to keep a stop loss also for 30 points or 40 points. You need to see trading as a uh, trading. That means entry you have to fix, stop loss you have to fix, and target also you have to fix, like swing trades or like scalping. So like that. So if this is not like STOVEKRAFT is not a long term portfolio stock, right? So if you Reliance means whenever it is falling, I will invest more. Why? Because I have like fundamental analysis on that. It has a good company, good cap, good governance in that. So I have a belief on that. But it's not like a STOVEKRAFT. It's a seasonal business, so it has some up and downs like that. So when it will move up, we don't know. So it will take some years also. So previously I done a video on Avanti feeds. It took me like nearly 3 years to come out of that stock because of I entered at this higher valuation. So that is my first investment. So after that I learned everything. So I entered at this particular level, these type of areas. So just peak situation I entered, but it fallen down. I made average. It is falling. I average. So again, it came to my price after 3 years. So with some average. So that's how it goes. But friends, what I mean to tell is, so whenever you enter in a particular stock, you need to look for what are the business opportunities of that company in coming near future. So if it have positive outlook in coming near 3 months or 4 months, you will take a entry like that. So you need to look for their P&L for which quarter is their best one. So like that. So this is my view on this STOVEKRAFT. So thank you friends. Near term, so it's not possible for a this 700 upside, but so maybe downfall is going forward, right? So that's till these lower high swings for we need these things will need to cross every time. So these are the near targets which you need to keep when it takes a reversal trend. Thank you very much.